Hello everyone! In this video, we'll walk you through everything you need to know about using HideMe VPN. If you're seeking a dependable VPN for privacy, streaming, or gaming, this tutorial will guide you in determining whether HideMe is the right option for you. To get started with HideMe VPN at a great price, check the link in the description below. To get started with HideMe, the first step is to set up your subscription. Begin by navigating to the pricing section, which you can find by clicking on the pricing tab located at the top of the homepage. Here, you will see a variety of plans designed to suit different needs and budgets. Take your time to review the options available and select the one that aligns best with your requirements. When you're ready to proceed, choose your preferred payment method from the available options, which include credit cards, PayPal, and even cryptocurrencies for added convenience and privacy. Before completing your purchase, it's a good idea to check if there are any discount codes or promotional offers available. Once you have applied any discounts and finalized your payment, you'll be all set to start using Hide.me and enjoy the benefits it offers. After purchasing a subscription, the next step is to install the Hide.me application on your chosen device. The service is compatible with a wide range of devices, providing flexibility and convenience for users across different platforms. Whether you are using a Windows, an Android smartphone or tablet, an iPhone, or prefer browser extensions, Hide.me has you covered. For those who enjoy streaming, there is even a dedicated app designed specifically for Amazon Fire TV. To begin, download the app that corresponds to your device from the official Hide.me website or the relevant app store. Once the download is complete, open the installer and carefully follow the on-screen instructions to ensure a smooth installation process. After the app is installed, launch it and log in using the same credentials you used when purchasing your subscription. This step will link your account to the application, allowing you to access the full range of features and benefits offered by HideMe. Once you log in, you will gain access to a network of over 2,600 servers spread across more than 91 locations worldwide, provided you are on a premium plan. For users on the free plan, the available locations are significantly fewer, but this option offers a good opportunity to explore and test the service before committing to a subscription. To connect to a server, start by opening the location list within the app. From there, you can select the country you wish to connect to. If you find yourself uncertain about which server would be the best choice, you can rely on the Best Location feature. This convenient option automatically connects you to the fastest and most efficient server available at that moment, ensuring an optimal experience without requiring manual selection. For even greater convenience, you have the option to mark specific servers as favorites. This allows you to quickly and easily access your preferred servers in the future, eliminating the need to scroll through the entire list each time. These features are designed to enhance usability and provide a seamless experience for all users, whether they are new to the service or long-time subscribers. One of the standout features of HideMe is its split tunneling capability. This feature gives you the flexibility to determine which applications use the VPN connection and which ones bypass it entirely. For instance, you can configure the VPN to access streaming services in another country, ensuring you enjoy content that might otherwise be unavailable in your region, all while maintaining your local IP address for other tasks. This approach allows you to stream foreign media seamlessly while keeping activities like online banking or local browsing unaffected. By enabling this selective routing, Hide.me strikes an effective balance between enhanced security and practical convenience, catering to users who value both privacy and efficiency in their online activities. For those who are interested in streaming, HideMe provides a reliable solution for bypassing geo-restrictions on various popular platforms, making it easier to access content that might otherwise be unavailable in your region. HideMe offers servers specifically optimized for other streaming platforms, including Hulu, Disney+, BBC iPlayer, and ESPN, providing users with more flexibility and options for enjoying their favourite content. It is important to note, however, that the free version of HideMe does not include support for streaming. To take full advantage of these features and enjoy seamless access to geo-restricted content, users will need to subscribe to one of the premium plans. Speed is a crucial factor to consider when choosing a VPN, and HideMe delivers varying results depending on the server you connect to. During our testing, some servers provided excellent performance with smooth streaming and low latency, making them suitable for activities like gaming and video streaming. However, we did notice inconsistencies, as certain servers were noticeably slower, which could impact the overall user experience. For gamers, HideMe proves to be a solid choice, as it offers a satisfying experience for online gaming. Our tests revealed reduced ping and lower latency than usual on popular games like Valorant, resulting in smoother and more responsive gameplay. When it comes to torrenting, HideMe supports P2P connections across all its servers, providing users with a secure and private environment for file sharing. Security is one of HideMe's strongest features, and the service offers robust protection for users. It employs advanced 256-bit encryption to safeguard your data and includes features like IP and DNS leak protection to ensure your online activities remain private. The addition of a kill switch provides an extra layer of safety by disconnecting your internet if the VPN connection unexpectedly drops, preventing any accidental exposure. A noteworthy feature is the multi-hop option, which routes your internet traffic through 2 servers instead of 1. This significantly enhances security and is particularly useful for handling sensitive tasks, although it can result in slower connection speeds, making it less ideal for activities like streaming. Overall, HideMe delivers commendable security and privacy features, though its performance and reliability might not be as consistent across all scenarios. Let's dive deeper into the pricing and features of HideMe. This VPN service offers a free plan, which might seem appealing at first, but it comes with significant limitations. With the free plan, you can only access 5 server locations, which restricts your ability to explore the global network. Additionally, you're limited to connecting just one device at a time, which can be inconvenient if you want to secure multiple devices. Another major constraint is the data cap, as you can only use up to 10 gigabytes per month. While the free plan is suitable for occasional or light users, it falls short for anyone looking for more robust and flexible VPN services. For those who need more versatility, HideMe offers premium plans that significantly enhance the user experience. These plans allow you to connect up to 10 devices simultaneously, making them ideal for families or individuals with multiple gadgets. Among the premium options, the 2-year plan stands out as the best value for money, offering long-term savings compared to shorter subscriptions. If you're interested in a premium plan, be sure to check the description for a discount code that can make the deal even more appealing. Another notable benefit of HideMe is its 30-day money-back guarantee. This feature allows you to explore the premium services without any financial risk. You can try all the advanced features and ensure the VPN meets your needs. If you're not satisfied within the first 30 days, you can request a full refund, making this a risk-free way to evaluate the service and decide if it's the right choice for you. Customer support is an essential aspect to consider when choosing a VPN, and HideMe claims to offer 24/7 support via live chat and email. However, while the live chat feature is available, it's not always immediate. In some cases, you may need to fill out a support form and wait for a response. Although the app is designed to be user-friendly and straightforward, there may be times when you need assistance. It's worth noting that while support is available around the clock, the response time might not always be as fast as you'd expect from live chat services. HideMe also excels in ease of use and functionality. It's simple to set up and includes features such as split tunneling, which allows you to choose which apps use the VPN connection. The service employs strong encryption to ensure your data remains secure and offers optimized servers for streaming, making it a good choice for accessing content across different regions. Overall, HideMe is a reliable VPN option for securing your online activities and accessing content from around the world. Its strengths include a user-friendly interface, advanced features, and a risk-free trial period backed by a money-back guarantee. Whether you're a casual user or someone seeking a comprehensive VPN solution, it's worth giving HideMe a try. HideMe VPN has a 30-day money-back guarantee. You can sign up and try it for free since you can get a refund before the 30 days are over. Click the link in the description to get started right away.